Plant FAQs, Verbena Lollipop. Exploring the enchanting world of Verbena Lollipop. If you're someone who revels in the beauty of gardens and delights in the aromatic embrace of flowers, then you're likely familiar with the Verbena Lollipop. This captivating plant, with its vibrant clusters of blooms and sweet fragrance, has captured the hearts of gardeners around the world. Join me on a journey as we delve into the wonders of this enchanting perennial. Is Verbena Lollipop a perennial? One of the first questions that often arises when considering Verbena Lollipop is its lifespan. Fortunately, this delightful plant is indeed a perennial, meaning it will grace your garden with its presence year after year. With proper care and attention, you can enjoy its blooms season after season, adding a touch of color and charm to your outdoor space. How to care for Lollipop Verbena. Caring for Verbena Lollipop is relatively straightforward, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. This resilient plant thrives in well-drained soil and enjoys plenty of sunlight, so be sure to choose a sunny spot in your garden for optimal growth. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry spells, but be careful not to overwater, as Verbena Lollipop prefers slightly drier conditions. How to propagate Verbena Lollipop. If you find yourself wanting to expand your garden or share the beauty of Verbena Lollipop with friends and family, propagation is the way to go. This can be easily accomplished through both seeds and cuttings. Simply collect seeds from mature blooms or take cuttings from healthy plants, ensuring they have a node and removing any excess foliage. Plant seeds or cuttings in well-draining soil, keep them moist, and watch as new growth emerges. How to prune Verbena Lollipop. Pruning is an essential aspect of Verbena Lollipop care, helping to encourage healthy growth and prolong blooming. Regular deadheading or removing spent blooms will not only keep your plant looking tidy, but also stimulate the production of new flowers. Additionally, you can trim back any leggy or overgrown stems to promote bushier growth and maintain a compact shape. Is Lollipop Verbena deer resistant? For many gardeners, dealing with deer can be a constant battle. Fortunately, Verbena Lollipop is known for its deer-resistant properties, making it a valuable addition to deer-prone areas. While no plant is entirely immune to deer damage, Verbena Lollipop's aromatic foliage and sturdy stems help deter these hungry visitors, allowing you to enjoy its beauty without worry. Timing is key when it comes to planting Verbena Lollipop for optimal growth and blooming. In most regions, it's best to plant this perennial in the spring after the threat of frost has passed. This allows the plant to establish itself before the heat of summer sets in, ensuring robust growth and abundant blooms throughout the season. When to prune Verbena Lollipop. Pruning should be done regularly throughout the growing season to maintain the health and appearance of Verbena Lollipop. However, it's essential to avoid heavy pruning during periods of extreme heat or drought, as this can stress the plant. Instead, focus on light maintenance pruning and deadheading to keep your Verbena Lollipop looking its best. In conclusion, Verbena Lollipop is a delightful perennial that brings color, fragrance, and charm to any garden. With proper care and attention, this resilient plant will reward you with its beauty year after year, making it a must-have for gardeners of all skill levels. Whether you're planting it for the first time or adding to an existing garden, Verbena Lollipop is sure to enchant and delight with its vibrant blooms and sweet fragrance.